Hey everyone. In today's video, we'll learn how to create or add a video in your community post on YouTube channel. So also do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. You would have seen image posts in my YouTube community regularly, or even text, or in the last video we saw how to post a poll, right? But in today's video we'll learn how to post a video on your YouTube community, right? So very simple. You can go either via your YouTube channel or YouTube Studio. We land on the same page. I have shown it in the last video. You can refer this video over here on how to reach over here and start creating any YouTube community post. Next, you can see this option of video. Now, one very important thing to know is that you can't add or upload a raw video over here. That means when you click on video, you can either select your pre-uploaded video on your YouTube channel or on the overall YouTube. So if I want to create a post which is on this, so I can simply select this. It will click on insert and you can see the video is appearing. You can add some context to it if you want to add any feature which has been added to this quiz feature or anything which YouTube has launched, and you want to recall or direct your videos towards your old videos, then you can post it over here. So simple ways, I will post one text over here and I will use ChatGPT to create this post. Right, so I have given a prompt and basically I'm asking it to create a post, right? So see, it has basically created a context, and for our video purpose I will just copy paste this. You can work on this and you can improve it. So now what I'm doing is I've selected a video. I want people basically to revisit this video of mine where the video is on how to add quiz on a video which has been uploaded earlier on your YouTube channel, and how you can improve the engagement of the same. So the context has been generated by the prompt given on ChatGPT, and I will just simply click on post, or even you can schedule this, right? And that's the simplest way of creating a video post on YouTube community, right? So you can see this post has been generated. You can add a pinned comment on it. To find any pinned comment, again use ChatGPT. This helps on the SEO for the video. So I'm just using this as a pinned comment and I will post it on this video, right? And again pin the comment. So this way you can create a video post. Very important, as I said, you can't directly upload a raw video. You can select any file and upload it on your post. You can only select a pre-uploaded video on your channel for this community post, or any other channel as well. I hope this is useful. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave. And if you have any further queries or would like to cover some any other topic, please drop in the comment section.